not just on the court, but I'm sure off the floor as well.
Does come up with a steal. Getting his first field goal, the Pasig Servants. Atienza, no look. Getting that finish. Is Alan Dennis up with a victory today. Three-pointer. That will be knocked down by Mesias. Go outside. Would have counted if it went in para kay Torato. Elihai trying to keep it alive. Gets it to Atienza. Throws it up and in.
Numerous offensive rebounds for Tanawan Batangas.
Kick it out. Mesias. Nice find. Getting that short stab. As Elihai will be whistled for his second personal.
Fun away here, he could have taken that free throw jumper, but saw Diet down the baseline, which led to that.
Atienza. Puntano for three. Gets that to rattle in. Neat.
Finding an offensive rhythm to start this ball game, but maybe that can open things up para dito sa Tanawan squad.
Nuevo will get the bounce. Still no go.
Excellent defense there from CJ Mesias. Not the tallest player, but still not giving up on that play.
You could say that was a 5-point swing.
Yeah, as we see here sa instant replay natin, or replay rather, at 3.
Neat. Strip job from Atienza. Ahead of everyone. If you had any doubts if he was okay, that move will tell you he still has that pep in his step.
Very active hands coming from Pasig, disrupting the fast break of Tanawan.
Bayani able to get that finish, plus the foul from Guerra. Advantage. Take another look. Bayani. And this guy loves contact.
One of those hairstyles as well.
Asahan ko yun. I mean, I'll take a clip out of what you just said and call your bluff as Guerra. Great start from the Pasig Servants. Some highlights for you. It's the first point of Tanawan. That fast break variety. Daet. That bucket as well of that pass from Mesias. Tanawan really trying to keep themselves in. And his team trailing by just 4, 21-17 at the end of our first period. Now down to just 2 after that De Ramos jumper. Opportunity to tie or take the lead para sa Tanawan. Atienza dials it from outside. Parang lalo pa atang ginayahan to si Atienza. For this Tanawan squad. All alone underneath. Getting that bucket. Nice tap there from Victoria, leading to this fast break opportunity. Yeah, lilipad! It's a Victoria style of basketball.
Oh, no. Showing some runs in the family. Nathan Victoria, as we see here, skying high for that layup and one.
Torato. Guerra. Inside. Duguelamucho.
Good ball movement there from to ease the pressure off of him and for them to be able to cross half court.
Three-pointer, another conversion. This time Dolar.
Make something out of this hair I have.
Dolar. This time the spin cycle. Dolar. That adjustment mid-air as a foul will be called here against Von De Ramos. That was the shot.
Speaking of off finishes,
Duguelamucho off that feed from Dolar. Sorry, miss sa kabila from break conversion from Tanawan. Duguelamucho.
Advantage of Nathan Victoria's absence with those 3 fouls, and they picked up the pace defensively as well, getting a lot of off.
52-29. Take another look at that Duguelamucho. Highlights for you as Nathan Victoria. 2 of his 7 points, but had to sit down early due to 3 fouls. A little over 5 minutes remaining. Duguelamucho, Dolar doing their magic off the bench. Torato zips it to Atienza. Hangs in the air and gets a roll.
Atienza skying high for that
Pass from Nuevo, able to be tracked down by Atienza. Alley-oop! Atienza able to get it to Pondano.
Not giving up on the play. He could have led the ball game earlier, being assessed an unsportsmanlike foul. And of course, yung foul trouble niya hasn't allowed him to get those consistent minutes.
Pondano coming. Another steal, this time from Elihai. Pondano gets it to Torato. That steal earlier from Pondano, winning the foot race against Pasig. That time from Elihai, deciding to get it to Torato.
Back up off the bench, even if he does have 3 fouls to his name.
Victoria attacking strong.
Immediately you see
Floor. Pondano will be called for a warning for taking a foul. Victoria will fly once more. Instant offense, like you said. Nung emergency button na yun, 4 straight points. Plus a steal. Once again, 6 straight for Nathan Victoria plus the foul.
Turns him with him coming back as we see here yung well, that end one courtesy of pound for pound fit. Not 4 shots, no? The ball really just fell his way and he was able to find himself open.
Finding himself open once again.
Split the baseline and was able to find himself open.
I'm sure we'll see a lot of these times on point lead para sa Tanawan. Couldn't hit on both. Bayani gets it to Lapira, slashing through the lane. The Brahmans would like to speak about how they could address.
He had the habit of sumusundot siya kanina when he would see the ball. So maybe try to show the ball the other players to prove that they are not a one-man show.
Gelamucho able to pick the pocket of Nathan Victoria in that. Another steal created by Victoria as Bayani able to carve his way inside. Binigyan ng wide open lane si Lapira to make it an easy layup. Aguila gets it to Gelamucho.
Okay, making simple shots, you know, whenever he finds himself underneath the basket, not overcomplicating things.
Nice challenge there from Mesias, but still just in the third. Conde against Dolar. Inside to Lapira.
That time making sure.
2-point advantage for the Servants. Moreno. Team to shoot para sa Pasig. Go to Moreno. That jab step. Lethal.
Just doing enough to get his defender off balance, and that was rewarded.
Torato comes up with a steal. Atienza bounces it inside. And finishing was Aguila.
And David Cruz falling asleep.
Back. Pondano can dial it from outside. Aguila. Right place, right time. No look to Gelamucho.
Tremendous pass there from
Couple of, di mo ka dumana sa dalawang players yung bola. But the presence of Torato goes to Gelamucho. He will try from outside. Gets that 3 to go. Gelamucho.
Showing us that he can also lay up go.
Take another look at that 3-pointer from Gelamucho earlier. Our good friends are watching and are maybe wishing for an extra 5 minutes.
Nagko-compute ako in my head kung kailan kaya magiging magtatayo ulit yung score, but lumamang na.
Torato was able to hit one earlier but missing on his last 2. Mesias able to recover. Gets it to Mabini for the finish.
Scoring right away.
Under 5 minutes left here in our payoff period. Shot clock is down to 8. Pondano for 3. Gets another one. And raining threes para sa Tanawan here in the 4th. As well. Take another look at that Pondano 3. 4 out of 10 shooting. But in the case of what you said, 17 out of 42. Imagine how different the complexion of this ball game could be. You're able to convert on even. Will recover. They throw it ahead. Get it to Guerra. Gelamucho all alone on the other side.
This attempts already down below, and Pasig has had a difficult time getting open looks.
Mabini making sure that time aagawan. Pondano couldn't finish with the left. Victoria trying to fight for it. They will lose it to Atienza. His floater! Up and in! Now down by 7, 70-63. Take another look at that previous play. Atienza getting to the paint. That patented Atienza. All-around performance and hitting those key three-pointers. Shot clock is down to 10. Down to 6 now. Cundano for 3. Gets another one.
But they just haven't found that right combination, I guess, on the floor. And they will have to look themselves in the mirror to try to address those issues moving forward, because they do have good pieces. It's just a